Welcome fam, Coach Nate here. You're here because you woke up stiff, sore and tired. Or you've been sitting all day and feel stiff and sluggish. But what if I told you in the next 90 seconds, I'm going to loosen up your entire spine, unlock your shoulders and fire up your energy for the day ahead. Most people stretch incorrectly, making them even tighter. Or they don't even stretch at all. Today, we're gonna fix that. One of the moves in this routine will instantly unlock your back, but only if you do it right. That is the crucial part, and I'll show you how to do it. The last move in the session is something you've probably never tried before, but you'll wish you had. Your spine isn't just tight, it's stealing your energy and making you feel sluggish. We're gonna change that today. Most people ignore their shoulders until the tension turns into pain. And don't be that person. Let's fix it now. One small mistake could be stopping your stretches from working, and I'll help you fix it. I should say, if you sit at a desk for hours, I've got something special for you, so you're gonna want to stick through the end to find out what it is. I promise you're gonna love it. Let's hit the mat. Your spine has been locked up all night or all day. Your posture is off, and your body is begging for movement. This move, it resets everything. Start in a tabletop position, wrists under shoulders and knees under hips. Inhale, arch your back, lift your chest and tilt your pelvis forward, cow pose. Exhale, round your back, tuck your chin and pull your belly in, cat pose. Repeat smoothly, syncing your breath with movement. I promise this move will wake up your spine, increase circulation and instantly improve how your back feels. Beginners keep movement slow and controlled. Advanced stretches deepen the arch and round your back for a greater stretch. Most people rush through this. Slow it down. Feel every inch of your spine move. Your spine is awake. Now let's unlock your shoulders and upper back. Your shoulders have been rolling forward all night, closing up your chest and locking up your upper back. This move, it undoes all of that. Start in a tabletop position, now walk your hands forward and lower your chest toward the mat. Keep your hips high and stretch through the arms. I promise this move will melt away tension, improve shoulder mobility, and even help your posture. Beginners keep arms slightly bent for less intensity. Advanced stretches, press your chest closer to the ground for a deeper stretch. Breathe in, now exhale and sink your chest just 1% lower. Feel that release. Now let's add movement and fire up the entire spine. This is where your entire body starts to wake up. Your back, shoulders, hips, it's all connected. And this move brings it all together. Start in downward dog, hands planted, hips high, heels pressing toward the floor. Flow forward into cobra pose. Lower your hips, press into your palms, lift your chest. Return to downward dog. Push your hips back and repeat. I promise this will energize your spine, open your chest, and make your entire body feel more mobile. Beginners keep cobra low by resting on your elbows. Advanced stretches, press deeper into cobra for a stronger stretch. Let's go for one more slow, controlled round. Feel the difference. Your spine and shoulders are fully awake. Now let's go even deeper into your upper back. Your upper back is holding more tension than you realize. If you've been feeling stiff or even a little hunched over, this move is going to set your shoulders free. Start in a tabletop position, wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Take your right arm, thread it under your left, lowering your shoulder to the mat. Hold and breathe, letting the stretch sink into your upper back and shoulders. I promise this move will unlock deep knots in your upper back, improve mobility, and relieve shoulder tightness. Beginners, keep your supporting hand planted for balance. Advanced stretches, reach your top hand toward the sky for a deeper twist. Breathe in. Now see if you can sink 1% deeper into the stretch. That side is open. Now let's balance it out on the left. If one side felt tighter than the other, that's a sign your body is imbalanced, and this move will help restore mobility. From tabletop position, thread your left arm onto your right. Lower your shoulder to the mat and hold. Breathe deep and let the tension melt away. I promise this move will release built-up tension in your back and instantly improve how your shoulders feel. Beginners, keep your right hand down for support. Advanced stretchers, reach your right hand up for a deeper twist. Hold for 5 more seconds. You're almost there. Your upper back is unlocked. Now let's stretch the entire posterior chain with a movement that will make you feel longer, lighter, and looser. This is where everything comes together. Your back, hamstrings, and shoulders are all connected. This move will stretch it all at once. Stand with your feet wide apart, toes slightly turned forward. Hinge at your hips, reaching down to one foot with the opposite hand. Twist slightly, then switch sides, alternating the movement. I promise this move will decompress your spine, loosen up your hamstrings, and improve your overall flexibility. Beginners, keep a slight bend in the knees. Advanced stretchers, hold each side for a few extra seconds to deepen the stretch, just a little deeper. Final move. Can you reach just a little deeper? Let's push for the last few reps. Deep breath in, now exhale and sink into it. You've got this. Your entire body is stretched, your spine is loose, and your energy is up. And just like I promised, fam, if you sit for hours at a desk, you gotta check out the free gift I have for you in the description. It's packed with morning stretches, midday stretches, evening stretches, and everything you need to stay pain-free all day and flexible. Go click the link in the description now before you forget. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.